We've been in collaboration since 2020. We've designed products that actually fit with our business rather than trying to shoehorn lot of products in, which is what usually happens with chemical companies. This is completely different. So it is almost bespoke for us. And the support we get from our account managers and technical is second to none. So since launching Enkind, the response has been overwhelming, not only from housekeepers, but also from visitors, family members, our staff. Everyone loves the smell of it because it's absolutely changed the mood of the home. So we were very fortunate to be the first company globally to launch Enkind in care. The sustainable message is so powerful, as is the plant-based, and it actually gives us better cleaning. It's safer, not only our residents, our staff as well, and it's fully sustainable, so it ticks all boxes. So we find the Blueleaf Hub really useful, not only from a management perspective, but also it's very user-friendly for our housekeepers. So with the basket intelligence, they can actually manage their budgets. They can see it. It's absolutely obvious. We get emails to approve, which is really easy. So it actually makes the job of ordering products really simple. We've also been an early adopter of the analytics platform for management. It actually gives us a really good insight into where spend is and analysing it. And we can even compare like-for-like size homes, drill down to what it costs per resident per day. So we can really see overspends. It's a really open system.